Alright, so boom, we back with the quick update for crude oil capital. I'm just going to be going over those 5 pairs, see what they did. This was NFP week, so I didn't want to record yesterday. I just wanted to wait till all of that was done. Everything really played out smoothly, as you can see. We have AU starting off first. I said all these templates, all these pairs was going to be a dump and a pump template type thing, right? For AU, GU, and EURUSD, it's around the same template, right? We have a drop and then we have a pump. So AU, Friday, we have the opening right here. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. So we had Monday do its thing, right? And then we have a drop, right? And I said that the market was going to sell off. I said Friday was going to get taken out. Friday was taken out by Monday. Monday was also taken out too, just by Friday, right? It's the same cycle over and over. So I did say that we would have some type of pop up here. Then we're going to have a drop. And then we're going to have a continuation up. And I specifically said it's going to form some type of structure point, AUDUSD, for the sales. For the sales until this point, and then we have the buys on up. So that played out smoothly as heck, like all the way to all like this TP uphill with 160 pips for AU. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see what that looks like, because we get in on the wick. Like look at that, perfect. And then let's go to what we have. EURCAD next. EURCAD just blew it out the window, bro. EURCAD went completely opposite. And when I was marking up, I had seen the head and shoulders, the inverted head and shoulders when I was marking up. So I was like, let me just leave this pair alone. But it was a perfect buy opportunity going up. I seen this play out, and then market just shot up, and I was like, sheesh. But I'm not a big fan of EURCAD for real. Not right now. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see what that looks like. I mean, it has complete structure. It's just a lot of consolidation going on this pair overall, right? In the middle of a consolidation, you don't need supposed to trade, but that's EURCAD. Not to trip on EURCAD, because we have a Euro, USD. I was looking for the sales, right? But then I said AU, GU, and EU is supposed to have a dump and a pump, and it did exactly what I said it was going to do. On the 30-minute time frame, it dropped how many pips was this? It dropped 70 pips towards this point of interest if you were to draw it on right there. TP would have been hit. Stops not even close to being hit. Still a 1 to 3, which is perfect. And then I said you have to watch those other pairs, because you can see the opposite pair, like EU, correlate, and which one has a better setup. So in my point of view, this one didn't have a better setup. AU and GU had the best setup for real for this week. But yeah, dang, why did I just move that? Okay, so that's EU for what that 70 pip drop. And if you would have caught the buys, because you would have seen the AU setup and the GU setup, that would have been some more pips as well. Let's say you would have got in right here on the New York session. Stocks, yeah, stochastics was low on New York session, and I'm pretty sure this is the 61.8. Yep, 61.8, and then we have the shut off, and perfectly, I said it's going to go to the next point of interest if it doesn't do a sell-off. The short sell-off that it did was a 70 pip drop, which is perfect. And then we had another opportunity for the buys for what? 100 pips. So that's EU. I'm probably throwing the clip. Be cautious, because your USD can take out these lows and then go to the next point of interest, right? Let's go to GU. I didn't want to make this video super long, so we have GU for the buys. Like, this was perfect. I said it was going to be a head and shoulders. The right shoulder was going to form a little buys on up. That way we have the left, the head, and then a potential right shoulder, inverted right shoulder, to go on up to the next point of interest that we have. But it did a bullish confirmation for it to go up. right? So the pullback was done, and then the continuation for the impulse presented itself on the lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, we have usually Wednesday reversals. Same thing happened, AU, Wednesday reversals. And then we have London taking out Asia session, breathing back above, retest, get in for the buys. And then this went for, if your TP was right here, 70, what? 79 pips or 80 pips. So overall, this did at least 115, 130 pips off rep, right? So that was a perfect setup for GU. Ooh, look at that. Okay, we have the last one, USDJPY. So I said we're going to wait for a pullback to go on up, right? Monday, market open took out this already. We don't even trade Mondays. So this one, you wouldn't even risk no money because you're not trading this. And then I seen the pullback up here. I think this was a 61.8. Let me check. Around the 61.8, just slightly off. But if you were to zoom in, London again, take out Asia, breeze back low, New York open for the drop. This is USD, so New York session is the best time to trade this pair. This pair went for a dive, bruh. This pair went for a dive. 150 pips, what was that? Hold on, that's definitely more than 150 pips. It's like 400 pips or some shit. Okay. So the overall is an uptrend. So even taking a sell was kind of risky, but like, what do you got to lose when your stop loss is so tight? That's why I'll be explaining like it's about probability sometimes. Would you rather just take the trade? Because you're only risking 10 pips. You can adjust your risk. It don't have to be 1%. You can split it up to 0.50 or 0.25%, right? So that's it for these pairs. It was a nice week, smooth week. I'm really happy about this pair right here trading out. Slow moving pair, but precision was on point. So yeah, that's it for this week's analysis or update video. I'll check back in with y'all later, maybe next week. Maya checking out. Take what you need and discard the rest, right? Remember, it's never really right from wrong, but right from left.